Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC Pro without inviting friends and stuff like that. You can actually just use most of their features without you having the Pro account. Just add in your effect. The only way you can do this is you can just make it a full screen and screen record that. I know it's not the most ideal, but it's the only way you could basically get Pro feature. But I think an effective way is to just basically invite friends. You'll get a really cool trial on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure it's at a good resolution. So you are going to go to the modify performance and make sure your proxy is off and then press save. So whenever you try to make it a full screen, the quality will be better rather than you turning on the proxy. So yeah, just keep that in mind. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.